6-year 100,000-mile Jaguar Approved Zero Deductible Certified Warranty until January 30, 2023. 5-year and 60,000 covered maintenance too. This all-wheel drive XF is equipped with cold climate package incorporated, heated steering wheel, Jaguar Sequential Shift paddles and remote controls for audio, cruise control and Bluetooth wireless technology, 3-stage heated front and rear seats, heated front windshield, heated washer jets, INCONTROL touch navigation system incorporated, SD card-based mapping, voice control and Jaguar INCONTROL apps and Sirius XM digital radio too. Client courtesy vehicle washed and vacuumed on a daily basis and serviced by Jaguar standards. If a wheel was curbed, it was repaired, a scratch wasn't touched up, the panel was painted, no expense spared in making this Jaguar perfect. Hurry in.